Hello, Jem Ayres, sexological body worker and sex coach here. And I've just thought I'd chat about my up and coming workshops called Yoni Awakenings. So Yoni Awakenings is a series of 3 online workshops for women and vulva owners. And it's all about the art of self-penetration. Because what I often hear from women that I coach is that penetration isn't, the most satisfaction for them. Usually it's vulva massage or foreplay or oral sex, and people complain that there's some numbness internally. And also when we're in penetration with a partner, we're often giving over responsibility to the other person. So this is a workshop where you'll be guided into a practice of self-penetration. And you'll be off screen for it. You don't need to be on screen. You just need to hear my voice. And we'll come together at the start to set intentions around the work. Then I'll teach you. I'll show you what we're going to be guided into. I'll guide you into it. And then we'll come back at the end to just kind of land, do a little bit of processing and any sharing that we might like. And what we learn from this is that we learn to navigate our internal landscape and just take time and give it breath and tune into all the subtleties of our experience. And yeah, there might be patches of numbness, but there might be other stuff. And we can work with the numbness and maybe do some de-armoring with it and allow sensitivity to arise. And also what I recognise is that instead of being penetrated into and pushed into, how can we relax and open and receive so that actually the vulva pulls in the penetrating toy, wand, penis, finger, so instead of a pushing in and being done to, it's actually how we open to receive and work our organic process, which is probably slower than we've ever allowed ourselves to be so open before. So it really is beautiful for reclaiming penetration, for getting to know your inner landscape, for navigating the parts of our yoni where there's pleasure, where there's numbness, where there's something else. And then, of course, we have information for our own self-pleasure, but also information that we can share to a partnership. And this is a really empowering place, actually. So I highly recommend it. You can attend 1, 2, or all 3. And I recommend all 3 because even though it's the same practice, what that gives us is the opportunity to recognize that it's different every time. So it's not like the first time was one experience and it's going to be the exact same next time. So it gives us a good spectrum of differences for us to learn from and work through. So I look forward to seeing you at Yoni Awakening.